Maybe that was mean. Maybe that was over the top. Maybe you're judging me for judging him right now. Welcome back. I wasn't going to take a right out of here, but I would very much like to check up on the accident that had just happened. So we're going to poke on over here. I got to get gas. I don't really, but I do. Oh, they repaved this little pothole that was here. How nice. It was indeed a massive pothole. This bitch is texting, so I don't trust her to stay in her lane. She did though. Doesn't work when I want it to work. This dude's texting and driving right next to me, and I definitely pressed it. Well, I just love letting people know that I know that they're texting, and he's all over the place. This accident seemed to have passed already. Put the phone down, bro. What are you doing? Dumbass. Got him. Got him. Maybe that was mean. Maybe that was over the top. Maybe you're judging me for judging him right now, but it's unsafe and it's stupid and I don't like it, and I think he deserves to be shamed a little bit. And I'm sticking to it. Sorry. People need to be reminded that you're operating like a multi-thousand-pound vehicle that could kill someone in an instant, you know? Or cause lots of damage in an instant. If there's one thing I could say to drivers as a motorcyclist, it would be, please pay attention to what you are doing. There are other people on the road. Life is not a movie about you. Maybe I'm overreacting. Let me know if you think I'm overreacting and I shouldn't tell people to stop texting. I don't know. Or don't. It'd be one thing if you were just doing it for a second too, but like I saw him twice doing it, and you know, so he was obviously, it wasn't like minutes apart, but maybe I'm a jerk. I am a jerk, in a way. Definitely am. I don't know if that makes me a jerk, though. I'm gonna stop thinking about it, because it doesn't matter to me. happy to get out here again. Some of these houses are really nice. Not oh my god, I mean it's just a dog, but like right by the road. That kind of scared me for a sec. Thought he, like, you know, didn't want to be like jumping out or nothing. I don't know which way to go here. I wanted to go left, but that truck went left and that Porsche went left. So I guess we'll go left too. Mix it up a bit. Then he didn't. And a 35, but it says I'm doing 43. See, that's the thing. Speedo's off. That's okay. Whenever I'm speeding, guys, I'm not actually speeding. That's what that means. Oh, dude. I actually have a lot of stain on my pants from that dartboard I made that I was talking about. That's a shame. It is a water-based stain, so maybe it'll come out easily. Look how beautiful it is out here. Maybe we'll stop to get some gas and then we'll call this one. This right here used to be all trees. They cleared it out and planted grass, and I don't know why. I mean, maybe they wanted the wood. I suppose that's a possibility. I got a bunch of woods. Yes, I have woods behind my house. I have a bunch of fallen trees in the woods behind my house, and I want to get a chainsaw, or borrow someone's, since it's kind of a big nut for the job. But I do, you know, to go out and get a chainsaw just for this. I don't have any trees I want to cut down at this point in time, but I do want to cut up those trees that have fallen, and then before they rot, you know, and then you got firewood. But I gotta get a chainsaw. Gotta find one. Calling all chainsaws. Reminds me of The Clash, calling all chainsaws, and I don't know why, but gas station. $3.59. I think it is cheaper down here. It better be. Oh, here's the cool couple. They are, one of them is an Egyptologist professor at Yale. Oh, it's just her actually today. But she dresses like she's in the 20s, and it's awesome because good for her, you know. They literally, like, they walk their dogs down Main Street here, and she and her husband, I don't know what her husband does. I'm gonna guess he's a professor as well. But yeah, dude, I mean, like, they wear clothing that is of another era exclusively. I think her Instagram is vintage Egyptologist or something along those lines. Vintage_Egyptologist. Look her up. They're cool. I respect the shit out of them. I'd wave to them and be like, look, it's a guy on a vintage bike. But I don't think that they have the allure, or not the allure, I don't think that they have the love for something like that. Maybe they do. I know they have an old Model T as well, or some, maybe it's not a Model T, but they have some, you know, like 1930s era car. So that guy was doing something by the fence, and his cat was just hanging out next to him. It was just like in the way. He's like reaching for something, doing this or whatever, and the cat's like directly underneath him. What is going on here? Alright, actually they were just turning left, and this truck is doing a thing with the truck. So, we'll catch y'all later. I had a feeling she wanted to go. Yep, she did. So, we'll let her have it. Alright, world. Thanks for watching.